Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. 7-program system for home, RV, and apartment. Wash dishes, glass, and baby products. Easy to use and maintain. This dishwasher features a user-friendly LED display and simple controls, making it easy to select the perfect wash cycle for your needs. Plus, the self-cleaning option ensures your dishwasher stays in top condition. Farberware. From reliable aluminum and stainless cookware to the latest in hybrid ceramic nonstick technology, Farberware continues to bring durability, design, innovation, and value that makes it America's most trusted cookware brand. Versatile cleaning options. The Farberware Countertop Dishwasher offers several different wash cycles, including baby care and glass, ensuring that all your dishes, from delicate glassware to baby bottles, are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. Time-saving convenience. With just 45 minutes, hookups, water, and electricity, you can have clean dishes and sparkling glassware anywhere and anytime. This small dishwasher is great for busy individuals who need a quick and efficient solution for their dishwashing needs.